Good day, grade 4 pupils. It's a brand new day and a good chance to learn. Get ready and let's learn mathematics right at the comfort of your home. So come on, get your pen, paper, and self-learning module. But before we proceed, I want you to comment down your name, your section, and the name of your school in our comment box so that your subject teacher would recognize your attendance. For today's lesson, you will learn how to solve routine and non-routine problems involving the volume of a rectangular prism. But first, I will give you 2 minutes to solve for the volume of each rectangular prism with the following dimensions. Are you ready, grade 4 pupils? If you're ready, your 2 minutes starts now. Okay, time's up. Let's check your work. For number 1, we have length of 10 cm, width of 7 cm, and a height of 4 cm. So to get the volume, we will just multiply the length, width, and height. So 10 times 7 times 4, the answer is, very good, 280 cubic centimeter. How about number 2? We have 7 inches length, width 7 inches, and the height is also 7 inches. So we can also say that it is a cube. Now, what is 7 times 7 times 7? Very good. The answer is 343 cubic inches. How about number 3? We have here the length of 9 meter, width of 5 meters, and a height of 2 meters. So, to get the volume, we multiply 9, 5, and 2. So, 9 times 5 times 2, the answer is 90 cubic meters. For number 4, we have here a figure or a rectangular prism with the dimensions of 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. We will just multiply 12, 8, and 6, and the answer will be, very good, 576 cubic centimeter. And for number 5, we have here a cube with an edge of 8 meters. So 8 times 8 times 8, the answer is 512 cubic meters. It is very important that you know how to get the volume of a rectangular prism because our topic for today is about word problems, particularly routine problems and non-routine problems involving the volume of a rectangular prism. But first, I have here a problem. Sarah has a chocolate box whose length is 12 centimeter, a height of 3 centimeter, and width of 9 centimeter. Find the volume of the box. Now, let's analyze the problem. What is asked in the problem? Very good. The volume of the chocolate box. Next, what are the given facts? A chocolate box whose length is 12 centimeter, height of 3 centimeter, and width of 9 centimeter. Now, let's visualize the problem. We have here Sarah has a chocolate box. So, this is an example of a chocolate box whose length is 12 centimeter, width of 9 centimeter, and a height of 3 centimeter. Now, we will get the volume of the box. What operation to be used? Very good. We will use multiplication. And the number sentence for this problem is the volume, or the formula for the volume of the rectangular prism is length times width times the height. Now, so our number sentence will be volume is equal to 12 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter and multiplied by 3 centimeter. And we will solve now. So, volume is equal to 12 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter, and the product will be 324 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the chocolate box is 324 cubic centimeter. Now, in solving routine or non-routine problems, may be done using the following steps. So, here are the steps. First one is to understand. So, what is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? The second one is we plan. What operation to be used? What is the number sentence? And then, we solve. And then solve using the suggested operation or formula. And last, we will state the final answer. Now, let's have more example. Our first example is, a wooden box is 24 centimeter long, 18 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter high. What is the volume of the box? Again, our step is first is to understand what is asked in the problem. Very good. What, or rather, the volume of the wooden box. Next is, what are the given facts? Very good. A wooden box that is 24 centimeter long, 18 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter high. Next, we visualize. So, this is a wooden box, okay, that has a 24 centimeter long, 18 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter high. Next is we plan. What operation to be used? Very good. It is multiplication. And our number sentence will be the formula for the volume of the rectangular prism, which is volume is equal to length times width times height. And then we substitute the unit for the length, width, and height, which is 24 centimeter, 18 centimeter, and 10 centimeter respectively. So therefore, the number sentence is 24 centimeter times 18 centimeter times 10 centimeter. And then we solve. So applying the formula, length times width times height, we will have volume is equal to 24 centimeter multiplied by 18 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. And the product is 4,320 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the wooden box is 4,320 cubic centimeter. Now, let's have our second example. A cube is a rectangular prism whose faces are congruent squares. If the length of a side of a cube is 4 inches, what is the volume of the cube? Ayan. Now, the step is first to understand what is asked in the problem. Very good. The volume of the cube. Next is, what are the given facts? Very good. We have the length of a side of a cube is 4 inches. And next, we visualize our problem. So we have here a cube, which we all know that it is a rectangular prism. And the length of a side of a cube is 4 inches. Next, we plan. What operation to be used? Exactly, multiplication. And then for the number sentence, we have the volume of a cube is side times side times side, or simply S cube. And then we have here volume, it will be 4 inches multiplied by 4 inches multiplied by 4 inches. And we solve. So, we will solve we will multiply 4 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches. So, 4 times 4 times 4. And the product will be 64 cubic inches. Therefore, the volume of the cube is 64 cubic inches. Now, for our third example. A lunch box is 24 centimeter long, 15 centimeter wide, and 5 centimeter thick. What is the volume of the lunch box? Again, a lunch box is 24 centimeter long, 15 centimeter wide, and 5 centimeter thick. What is the volume of the lunch box? Again, the first step is we understand. So, what is asked in the problem? Very good. The volume of the lunch box. Next is, what are the given facts? Exactly. A lunch box that is 24 centimeter long, 15 centimeter wide, and 5 centimeter thick. Now, we visualize our problem. So, we have here a lunch box with the dimensions of 24 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Now, we plan. What operation to be used? Very good. Multiplication. And then, what's the number sentence? Is the formula for the rectangular prism, for the volume of the rectangular prism, which is volume is equal to length times width times the height. So, volume is equal to 24 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter and multiplied by 5 centimeter. Now, and then we solve. So, we will multiply 24 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. And if we multiply it, the answer will be 1,800 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the lunchbox is 1,800 cubic centimeter. For our fourth example, a shoebox is in the shape of a rectangular prism. Its length is 25 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter, and width is 10 centimeter. What is the volume of the shoebox? Again, a shoebox is in the shape of a rectangular prism. Its length is 25 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter, and width is 10 centimeter. What is the volume of the shoebox? The first step is to understand. So what is asked in the problem? Very good. The volume of the shoe box. And then what are the given facts? Very good. A shoebox with length of 25 centimeter, height of 12 centimeter, and width of 10 centimeter. And we visualize. So this is a shoebox with the dimensions of 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 25 centimeter. So it is a rectangular prism. We solve it. We will solve, or rather we plan, what operation to be used. Very good. Multiplication. And then what is the number sentence? Volume is equal to length times width times height. And then volume is equal to 25 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter and multiplied by 12 centimeter. And we solve. Solution will be 25 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So the product is 3,000 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the shoebox is 3,000 cubic centimeter. Next example. An aquarium has length of 150 centimeters, width of 60 centimeters, and height of 80 centimeters. How much water is needed to fill the aquarium? So, to understand what is asked, very good, the amount of water needed to fill the aquarium. And then what are the given facts? So, an aquarium with length of 150 centimeter, width of 60 centimeter, and a height of 80 centimeter. And then, we visualize the problem. So, we have here an aquarium. Has a length of 150 centimeter, width of 60 centimeters, and a height of 80 centimeters. And then we plan what operation to be used. Very good. Multiplication. And then what is the number sentence? The volume is equal to length times width times height. Therefore, the volume is equal to 150 centimeter multiplied by 60 centimeter and multiplied by 80 centimeter. And then we solve. Solution will be the volume is equal to length times width times height, the formula, and the volume is equal to 150 centimeter multiplied by 60 centimeter multiplied by 80 centimeter, and the product is 720,000 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the aquarium is 720,000 cubic centimeter, or simply 720,000 cubic centimeter of water is needed to fill the aquarium. And then for our last example, the closet is 6 feet wide, 5 feet deep, and 8 feet tall. In the closet, there is a suitcase that is 2 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4 feet tall. How much room is left in the closet? Again, the closet is 6 feet wide, 5 feet deep, and 8 feet tall. In the closet, there is a suitcase that is 2 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4 feet tall. How much room is left in the closet? Okay, the first step is to understand the problem. What is asked in the problem? How much room left in, or rather, how much room is left in the closet? And then, what are the given facts? A closet that is 6 feet wide, 5 feet deep, and 8 feet tall. And a suitcase inside the closet that is 2 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4 feet tall. Now, we visualize the problem. So, we have here a closet that is 6 feet wide, 5 feet deep, and 8 feet tall. And inside the closet is a suitcase with the dimensions of 2 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4 feet tall. Now, we plan what operation to be used. Very good. Multiplication and subtraction. And then for the number sentence, we have here the volume of the closet minus the volume of the suitcase. So we have here, the volume is 6 feet, multiplied by 5 feet, multiplied by 8 feet, minus the volume of the closet. We have the dimension of 2 feet, 3 feet, and 4 feet. And to solve it, so we will multiply first inside the column, or rather inside the bracket. So we have here 6 times 5 times 8 minus the product of 2 times 3 and 4. So we have here 240 cubic feet minus 24 cubic feet. So the answer will be 240 minus 24 is 216 cubic feet. Therefore, 216 cubic feet left, or rather is left in the closet. Now, it's time for activity time. In 2 minutes, again in 2 minutes, you will answer this problem, and then you will comment down your answer in our comment section. Are you ready, grade 4 pupils? If you are ready, your 2 minutes starts now. Okay, time's up. So let's check your work. So a wooden box is in the form of a cube. If its edge is 30 centimeter, how much space does it occupy? First is to understand what is asked in the problem. So we have here the space that the wooden box occupies. And then what are the given facts? So we have here a wooden box in the form of a cube with edge of 30 centimeter. And then, so this is a wooden box with an edge of 30 centimeter. Next is, we plan. So what operation we will use? Very good. It is multiplication. And then what is the number sentence? So volume of a cube, which is side times side times side. So applying the formula, we have here volume is equal to 30 centimeter multiplied by 30 centimeter multiplied by 30 centimeter. And we solve it. So 30 times 30 times 30 centimeter? The answer is 27,000 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the wooden box occupies 27,000 cubic centimeter. Did you get the same answer, grade 4 pupils? Excellent! For our next activity, I will just give you again 2 minutes to solve this problem. So, a swimming pool is 2.2 meter long, 1.5 meter wide, and 60 centimeter deep. How much water can it hold? So, you will comment down your answer in our comment section. So, your 2 minutes starts now. Okay, time's up. Let's check your work. So the problem is a swimming pool is 2.2 meter long, 1.5 meter wide, and 60 centimeter deep. How much water can it hold? Again, first step is to understand the problem. So what is asking the problem? The amount of water can the swimming pool hold? And what are the given facts? So, a swimming pool that is 2.2 meter long, 1.5 meter wide, and 60 centimeter deep. And to visualize the problem, we have here a swimming pool that is 2.2 meter long, 1.5 meter wide, and 60 centimeter deep. Again, 60 centimeter deep. So, 60 centimeters, since the other two dimension is in meter, so we'll convert 60 centimeter into meter. So that will be 0.6 or rather 6/10 meter or 0.6 meter. And then we plan what operation to be used. Very good. Multiplication. And then what is the number sentence? So volume is equal to the length. Volume is equal to length times width times height. And the volume is equal to 2.2 meters multiplied by 1.5 meters multiplied by 0.6 meters. Again, to solve the problem, we will multiply 2.2 meters, 1.5 meters, and 0.6 meter. And then the answer will be 1.98 cubic meters. Therefore, the swimming pool can hold 1.98 cubic meters of water. Did you get the same result? Excellent! Just remember, grade 4 pupils, that in solving routine or non-routine problems, may be done using the following steps. The first one is to understand what is asking the problem, what are the given facts. The second one is we plan what operation to be used, what is the number sentence, and we solve the problem using the suggested operation or formula, and then we will state the final answer. Now, it's time for our question and answer. Okay, so I have here a question. Sir, is it possible that the cube and rectangular prism have the same volume? Okay. Yes, it is possible that a cube and a rectangular prism have the same volume. For example, a cube with an edge of 2 centimeter and a rectangular prism with the dimensions of 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. If we compute for the volume of the following, the cube and the rectangular prism, they have both 8 cubic centimeter of volume. So, it is possible. Okay, I have here the next question. Sir, surface area and volume is pareho po ba? No. Surface area is different from volume. When we said surface area, it is the sum of the areas of the lateral faces and the bases of a solid figure, while a volume is the number of cubic units that a solid figure can occupy. Okay, if there's no question, let's call it a day. Again, I'm your teacher Roel from Apollonia F. Rafael Elementary School saying, anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon. Bye-bye, grade 4 pupils! See you again next time!